Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to swap your DoctorX token in the xPORTAL app, okay? How to swap it or how to send it out to an exchange where DoctorX token will be listing, okay? So you are going to choose either to swap in the xPORTAL app or to send it to an exchange where the coin will be listing, okay? So before I do that, some of you complained that you did not receive your DoctorX token in your xPORTAL account, okay? So if you are sure that you submitted your wallet address, if you are sure that you submitted the right wallet address, I made a video on how to get your wallet address, on how to submit it. So if you followed that video step by step on how to submit your wallet address, and you are very sure that you submitted your wallet address, you are very sure that you are verified in the DoctorX app, you did your KYC, you are verified, then that means maybe probably you received, but you don't know how to add it to your account, okay? I made a video last time and show you how to add it. So you can just click on this plus sign, okay, to add DoctorX to your account. If you didn't add it, you're not going to see it, even if they send you token. So you just search DRX here, okay? So you see DRX, you say as my own is turned on, all right? So just turn your own on. Once you turn your own on, you're going to see it in your dashboard like this, okay? In your wallet, you're going to see it in your wallet. See wallet here, you're going to see your DRX token here, okay? So after you must have received the token, you're going to fund your wallet with EGRD token, okay? That's what you'll be using for gas fee. That is the native token here. So you're going to fund your EGRD with a minimum of $0.1, okay? If you want to send out to an exchange. But if you don't want to send out to an exchange, you want to swap here, you'll be needing at least $1 worth of EGLD, okay? So how do you swap? You just come to this place that they say exchange. You click on exchange, okay? So you're going to select DRX, okay? Select DRX. You search for it, DRX. Okay, guys, so I don't think this is the DRX. Maybe because the DRX is not showing, that DoctorX is not showing because they have not listed, okay? So, but once they list, you're going to see DRX here. Mind you that this is not the DRX, okay? This is not the DRX, okay? The one, that DoctorX, this is not it. It's until they list. Then you come here, you type DRX, you're going to see it with their logo, okay? So once you type it, you click on it like this. Then on this place, you select what you want to swap it to, okay? You can swap it to EGLD. You can swap it to EGLD. You can swap it to USDC. But if you don't want to swap, like me, I'm not swapping in this app. I've already sent my token to an exchange where DRX will be listing, okay? So, and that's why I'm making this video, to teach you how to send it. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is for you to click on this DRX for you to send it out, okay? You click on it. So you're going to click on send. You type the amount of DRX that you want to send. If you want to send all, you click on max. Like I said, I've already sent mine. So what I have here is just 7. So I'm going to click on max, okay? So I'll go into my gate.io now to copy my DRX wallet address. Okay, guys, so once you open your gate.io, you click on wallet. Before using your gate.io, make sure that your account is verified. Don't send token to an unverified account. So make sure you verify your account with your ID card, okay? So you click on deposit. Click on deposit. Click on spot and click on deposit. You select on-chain deposit. So on the search bar, you're going to search for DRX, okay? DRX. See it here, you click on it. So this is the wallet address. You just click on this copy icon to copy yours, okay? Then once you copy, you go back to xPORTAL app. So here you click on continue. After selecting marks, you click on continue, okay? So you're going to paste the wallet address that you copied here. Paste it here. Then you're going to click on next, okay? You click on next. Then you click on send, okay? So they just charge small gas fee for sending out. Small, very little gas fee, okay? So guys, it has successfully sent. As you can see, I don't have the DRX token in my xPORTAL account, okay? So that is all on how to send it. Once you send, you wait for it like 2 to 5 minutes. You are going to receive it in your gate.io. If you have not registered on gate.io, click on the link below this video. Register and verify your account. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified, okay? And if this video is helpful, kindly like my video, comment and share with your friends. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. Click on it, join my WhatsApp group so that you'll be receiving other updates that I'm not posting on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.